Oh, I saw your question on discussion board. I'm going to use the normal distribution to answer these questions. So you're told the mean's 21.3 and the standard deviation's 5.3. So I'm going to use Stat Crunch technology. You could use calculator or do it by hand with the table. So you click on, come into Stat Crunch, click on Stat Calculators, and choose a normal calculator. You get this here. So I put in the mean 21.3 and the standard deviation 5.3, which are both given. You want the percent of scores that are less than 19. So I have a less than symbol, I put a 19. You click compute and it gives you this decimal here, and you got to change it to percent. You got to move it 2 places to the right, and you'll get that answer. Now they about blank scores would be greater than 21. So you need to change this to greater than, put 21, then you'll get a decimal here, and you need to multiply that decimal times the 1,500 individuals, and I guess it comes out to 784. So again, you make that a greater than 21, whatever the decimal is, you multiply it by 1,500, and it comes out to 784. Hope that helps.